What's up, YouTube? It's your boy DJ from Backyard Mechanics. You know, we got a subwoofer right here, man. 12-inch, 2500 watts. You finna, you know, get the full max out of it. So that one. So this one right there. So we'll make it look like that. You know, we gotta use both. We gotta use the full subwoofer. This one. So you're gonna get some speaker wire. Use this color for the positive. And you're gonna connect it to this positive right here. Swing it that way. And then you're gonna get some more speaker wire. You know, connect to the negative. And swing the other way. So now we got two facing this way. And then you take one more, like this. Make sure you got the right colors and all. Yep. Twist these mugs together. Twist the other one together. Then you put, so this one's the negative, so you put this one into the negative. Then you take the positive, put it in the positive. Then this end goes inside the box to the positive and negative output. That's on the outside of the box. Make sure you follow the simple rules, because you mess up anything, you can start a fire. Get that down. Top one. And tomorrow when I put them in, I'm just gonna leave them like this, so the wires won't get messed up. But those are ready to go into the. Make sure they're ready to go and grab them. Grab your voltage meter. Looks so like this. Put it on OHM. So it should be on that one. It's pretty simple. You put the, you know, red to the red, black to the black. Wait a minute. Hold on, let me get up in there. Should increase. There we go. See that? It should be around like 30, 32. And it shouldn't be bouncing up and down like that, but it's pretty worn out. Did this before, so I just know. Make sure you go ahead and check the other side too. Get the same result. That side was 33, so 33 and 32, that's perfect. That was already checked. So that's really the main thing with that. And then I'll show you in the next video how to tune the amp.